In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to move files from your Google Drive into Google Shared Drive using the Google Drive app. That's a whole lot of Google Drive all at once, so we're going to break it down one step at a time. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have your version of the Google Drive app running on your computer. We have another tutorial video in our YouTube channel all about that. So if you've not viewed that yet or you're not sure what I'm talking about, go take a look at our YouTube channel and we'll have that linked in the description for you so that you can access that easily. Once you have that set up though, it's a pretty easy process with one small caveat. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up Windows Explorer. We're going to press the Windows key and E on our keyboard. That'll open up Windows Explorer for us. And you know what? We're going to do that a second time just to make this easier. And we're going to have both of these side by side on our computer so that we can quickly go in and edit it. Now you'll notice on the left side we have Google Drive. And that's going to show us our MyDrive and Shared Drives. We can open that up in each. And in the one on the left, I'm going to open up the MyDrive. And the one on the right, I'm going to open up Shared Drive. Now, let's say I want to move my headshot over into one of my Google Shared Drives. Let's move it into this Tech Director one. Let's grab headshot and move it. And it says it can't move the headshot because it's not available, and we have to cancel it. And that's because you can't actually move an entire folder. You have to do it by files. So what we can do is come in here, make a new folder called headshot, open it up, open up this one, and let's go in here and drag over these files. And the items are moved. Now if we accidentally move something we didn't want to, we can click move back. That'll move it back. So let's just grab these headshots and move them over. And when we're done, we just click OK. And that's going to start uploading those into the Google Shared Drive that we have selected in the appropriate folder. From here, if we wanted to delete this, we can go in and we can click delete. That'll put it in our trash. And you get a handy reminder that items are deleted forever after 30 days. So you have 30 days to change your mind, but keep in mind it doesn't update your drive totals until you've actually emptied your trash. So if you're looking to clean up your account and you want to see instantly kind of what you've done, make sure you empty your trash, come back the next day, take a peek, and you'll see your new storage changed. So that's how you can move things over. I realize there's a little bit of work involved here because you have to move some individual files at a time, but as you can see, it's really quick to do it. And once you have a handle on what you want to move, it's a pretty fast process. So there you have it, the easy way to move your files between your MyDrive and an existing shared drive.